welcome to Fall Gloomy Day Montage with Cat. Hey guys! Okay, so I am in Big Bear right now, and I just got ready, as you can see. Honestly, it's just kind of crazy. There's me with the sweater. But yeah, so I'm gonna go downstairs and get a snack or something, because I haven't really eaten. Well, I mean, I ate breakfast. And then I gotta upload a new vlog, and I gotta write papers. Even though it's a break, it's still very busy. I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys! Okay, but I just ate, so you best be knowing leggings on and that oversized shirt, because yo girl needs stretchiness. But let's go downstairs and see. Man, I ate a lot. I'm gonna go downstairs and see what's going on for round 2. You know what that means? That means dessert. So I'll bring my tummy drops and we'll see what's going on. Let's go. I want to just review my outfit here. So we got some turtleneck action going on there. We got some sweatpants from my university. That we got some polka dot socks with some teddy bear slippers, because when it's cold, and this is on it's comfy though, I'm not gonna lie, it's comfy. It's like, like that. Have you ever seen The Master of Disguise? Can you even hear me? Have you ever seen The Master of Disguise where he's like, turtle, turtle? Guys, oh, I never even showed you because I cut it out of the vlog. Okay, so I'll say it again. So, I have this weird thing where I'm obsessed with the Recess shapes. No, not the Recess peanut butter cups. No, the Recess shapes. So every holiday they have a shape for the Recess things. Recess, Reese's. Some people make fun of the ways. So since it's Christmas time, they have the trees, and so I just bought a bag of them, and I already ate around 5. It's fine. But yeah, so I have this thing where I have to get the Reese's shapes for the season that it is, because it has like the trees for Christmas, and then it has it has the eggs for Easter, and then it has hearts for Valentine's Day, and then you go all that way until Halloween where they have the pumpkins. But I have to get the Recess shapes. I just have to. It's an addiction. It's bad. I know. Anyway, I'll check in with you guys later when I'm not stressed and about to cry and about to just drown my sorrows into chocolate. So it's like I take my chocolate and I just like I thought that was gonna stay. It didn't. Anyway, I'll check up with you guys later.